Dear parents and students, it's really a pleasure for me to introduce to you the College of Management Studies of University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, which today we call as UPES. Before I get into the college, let me briefly introduce myself. I am Anirban Sengupta. I am the Dean for the College of Management Studies out here. I am here for the last nearly 2 years, and I bring here on the table about 20 years of experience spread out between industry and academics, significantly in the infrastructure course sector. Having worked with organizations like Administrative Staff College, Hyderabad, CRISIL Ratings, Bombay, Duff and Phelps and Fitch Ratings, Bombay. UPS College of Management, we are trying to emerge as a leading business school in the infrastructure course sector. We have a full-time faculty strength of 72. In terms of the faculty size, possibly we are one of the largest in the country, maybe just after the top 3 IIMs. And in terms of programs, we are possibly the leading institute in the country which has 9 MBA programs and 4 BBA programs spread across different areas of the infrastructure course sector. Specifically to talk about the BBA programs, the BBA programs are housed under the Undergraduate Business School of the College of Management, so that there is a special focus on the BBA program, because we believe that the BBA programs themselves are terminal degrees, in the sense that after the student completes these programs, they are straight away ready to get into the corporate sector and add value to the corporate sector. We run 4 BBA programs focused on 4 growing areas of the infrastructure course sector. These are the BBA in oil and gas marketing, BBA in aviation operations, BBA in logistics management, and BBA in auto marketing. I am very happy to share with you that today, standing in December 2013, my final year batch of BBA Aviation Management, the entire batch, has already got placed from the campus. Although the course is finishing by May, still about 6 months to go from here. But the entire batch is placed, and many of them are currently going to be working in the Terminal T3 of the International Airport at Delhi. The whole purpose of these BBA programs, how the BBA programs are really different from the various other BBA programs offered in the country, is the sense that we are again possibly one of the very few institutes offering BBA programs focused on particular domains. As you might be knowing today, the world around, the focus of management education is really getting very much more domain specific. And that is the philosophy that we bring in even at the level of the BBAs, so that to make sure that once the students pass out from the programs, they are absolutely ready to join the corporate sector and add value right from day one. There is no time that is lost for training of the students once they get into the job. Each one of the BBA programs are focused on each one of the verticals in this infrastructure course sector. And while the BBA oil and gas started about 6 to 7 years back, the latest one that we have is the BBA auto marketing and BBA logistics management, which are there for the last 1.5 to 2 years, and all the 4 programs are doing very well, I must say. In terms of the process that we follow to prepare our students ready for the corporate sector, we make sure that the learning happens not only through the classroom teachings, but learning happens also through learning from the experience of the industry managers who come to the classroom, share various topical, share various various domain-specific knowledge, absolutely focused on those areas of operations of each one of these BBA programs. We make sure that the students get a hands-on experience of each one of these domains by making field visits as part of the program, and also the various summer placement programs which are built into this BBA program. So which means that we try to build up not only the knowledge but also the whole personality, also the whole attitude and the aptitude of the students focus towards the particular domain sector. And we believe that it is this beautiful combination which really makes our students so much ready for the corporate sector right from day one, and so much sought after by the corporates from various sectors. We have a very good team of faculty, a very dedicated team of faculty who really get down to BBA program with special focus on training the young students who come out from the school level and graduate to management level. They try to bring in a significant difference in approach of training the BBA students from that what is followed in teaching a typical MBA students. So while in a typical MBA, the focus might be much more on the case studies, much more on class discussions, and we realize that training a BBA student is quite a different ball game than training a MBA student who is much more mature. Focus is not only on the conceptual knowledge, the bookish knowledge, focus is also on building up their overall personality, focus is also on developing their soft skills, focus is there on developing their attitude, and focus is there for them to really understand what it means to be in the corporate sector. Because the focus of this program is really towards the corporate sector. These programs are positioned more as a terminal degree, which means right after completing this program, you are ready to get into the corporate sector and add value to the corporate clients. So it is really a pleasure for me to welcome you. All the 4 programs focus on creating a great manager out of you the moment you pass out from these programs. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope that you will make the right choice when you look at your career options after your class 12. Thank you so much.